Today on this episode, we're replacing the temperature sensor on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now this is on a 6.4 liter HEMI, but the same procedure applies for the 5.7 liter HEMI as well. Alright, so the tools needed for today is simply a 19mm box wrench and a pick. I use the pick, but you could also use a small flathead screwdriver. Now the pick and flathead screwdriver is for the locking clip that's attached to the temperature sensor lug. The OEM part number is shown right here and it's also going to be in the description for you to check out afterwards. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is pop the hood. After that, we're going to locate the temperature sensor, which is located at the front of the engine attached to the top of the water pump. Some clippy boys here. So what I like to do is expose the clip mechanism first before we do anything. 19 mil. Kind of loosen this up first. All right. But this annoying piece right here has a little hook. I use this guy, jam in there, but you pop that and this red lock leaves that place. You push down this black tab over here, boom. So red claw and then black tab. And there's our temperature sensor. There we are. Look at that, another tapered thread. There it is. That goes in there. So we have our clip over here. Let's throw that, tuck this in here so it's out of the way. All right, we got our cap over here. We have our temperature sensor over here. Throw that on. 19mm. I'm not sure on that, okay? Now this is a tapered thread. If you wanted to, you could use Teflon tape. You could use some sealant if you wanted to, if you're that concerned about it leaking. But this is a tapered thread, okay? So it is kind of self-sealing. In any case, watch till the end of the video and see if it leaks, right? And you can determine if you need to apply some Teflon tape or some kind of sealant to this tapered thread. Okay, let's plug this in. Make sure it's not twisted up, you know? Don't wanna. There you go. That claw boy. There you go. Pressed in. Alright. I think that's the original position. Because we got that mark over here, right? So we're gonna give it a start now. Okay, we're also going to monitor temp gauge and we're going to test this in the driveway and make sure it doesn't overheat on its own. So if anything happens in the driveway, at least you're in the driveway. Alright? Alright guys, here we have it. So that is how we change the temperature sensor on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now this is on the 6.4 liter HEMI, but as mentioned before, this also applies to the 5.7 liter HEMI as well. Thanks for watching guys. Hit one of the other videos that's shown right here and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.